Real quick though, I wanted to show you. I was shopping at HEB and they had like seven of these. This was the last one when I got there. I grabbed it. It's only $15 and it's got all the 13 colors. I was thinking about getting more colors of these. It's got all 13 colors and plus a limited edition holiday iridescent one right here. I just had to get that. So you get all 13 colors. They are half the size, but that's okay, you know. I was just playing around with these ever since I bought it all week, and I just love this. So I wanted to show you that. And all of the Wet n Wild holiday stuff is out. So I didn't want, they have a highlighter with a color that's new, but it's one of those darkish gold colors. There's a place called, I think, Glam Raider, that's selling some, I think, some exclusive stuff. Walgreens is selling exclusive stuff, and then the website is selling, and they each have a highlighter, a 4 highlighter set with one exclusive color. Each of them look like a dark gold, and I have just spent too much money. I've got so many highlighters, and after, you know, this being too orangey for me, it's like unusable as a highlighter. I just decided not to get them. I did hear that next week they will be having a sale for half price, November 4th, not next week. November 4th through the 10th, it's going to be 50% off. But since they put it out this weekend, I'm not sure if you're going to find them on that week. But they had the new brushes, which are a rose. It says it's a rose gold. It looks like a rose, and then, you know, it's like a duochrome. When you turn it, it looks like a gold. It's just a little bit fancy. It's the same, well, no, it's not the same exact collections, but it looks like they took some of their regular line, you know, the brushes, and put some of those in the collection. So I didn't get that either because I've got, you know, their the one they did last year, and I got with my Halloween order, I got a free set of the brushes in the roll. So I did not bother with the brushes either, or the highlighter. I just really, really wanted these. It looks like most of these colors are in their, it looks like it's in their natural and in their rose in the air. That's what that looks like. And some of these are unique to their 10 pans. So just the matte and the shimmer. And the weird thing is this one has the matte and this one has one shimmer. But this is the only thing I wanted. And it came with an eyeshadow brush and an eye primer. And this was $15, and then I get my discount. They had lip glosses, nail polishes, lipsticks. The eye pigments, the holiday ones, minus Carol. Carol's gone. Even their gold pigment is sold out. People were pissed about that they didn't get Carol, that instead they got the gold pigment. GlamRaiders.com has it if you want the Carol. So yeah, I didn't want any of that. I just wanted this eyeshadow set really bad, and that was it. And so yeah, maybe if they still have stuff during the 50% off sale, I might pick up the highlighter. But it's just weird that Glam Raider, their website, and Walgreens they all have the 3 of their core line colors, and then they have one unique color, and it's like a gold. So I don't know. We'll see if it goes on sale. Maybe I'll check it out. But so yeah, so Glam Raiders got some exclusive stuff that's really cool. I found that on Instagram. And so again, Walgreens, and then you got their website has the highlighters. So yeah, so what I saw from Russia, I noticed that they got their own stuff over there because I would, look on Instagram. So I don't think I'm ever going to see that. I wanted to check out that eyeshadow, 8-pan eyeshadow, but you know, I was very, very happy with this matte shimmer, shadow brush, primer. And they just released, I think this is going to be for 2019. Right now, CVS doesn't have all the colors, but I picked like one from each of the eyeshadows, and I think this is going to be for 2019. So they got matte catsuit for the eyes, metallic catsuit for the eyes, and shimmer catsuit for the eyes. You see that they have different tops. And so I picked a mauve. They have a purple, but it wasn't at CVS. Right now, CVS is the only one carrying it on a display. So this is a mauve with gold. This is a red. And then this looks like a mauve-y nude. So I got one of each. When all the colors come out, I think it looks like they have purples and blacks, but that was not at CVS. And then it was on sale at CVS, buy one, get one half off. So I did get all the lippies that I wanted. So you've got your mauve, berry. These are glosses, by the way. Just like a plum, a dark red, a bright red, and then a deep dark vampy plum, dark plum color. So let me see. Oh, this one's called Wine. This is the wine, and this is the plum, and they're glosses. So they were buy one get one half off. So you know, I got all these, but I didn't find all the catsuit for the eyes. Like I said, I saw on what they showed in the picture, and we already know that they could show you it and then not have it. They had, it looked like 2 purples and 2 blacks for the metallics and the shimmer. I didn't see that at CVS. But when I go out again tomorrow, I'm gonna check them again, check CVS again, and see if maybe I missed something, because it was hard because it was on a top shelf. So I'm gonna see. I'm wearing rags. I lost more weight, and I'm all a mess with glitter and powder and everything, so I'm just wearing my rags right now. I could not do this before, so I'm really happy. And my stomach looks like it's just dead skin, man. It needs to come off it, because they say you could get gangrene when that happens. So so I most likely since I'm gonna have a hard recovery, I'll probably see you at 2 weeks at least after. So I'm really glad I got to do this today, even though I won't be going out with it. I didn't even wash my hair because I put a ton of gunk. I had a gray spray, and then I had a white gel, and I think, is it L'Oreal? I think L'Oreal has a new I got a silver, and I put that on here, and then I put some white where my regular white was. And oh my goodness, I love these bat earrings. They are so cute. They are so cute. And then look at how nice, as cute is this. How cute is that? It comes with a choker, but I have too much of a double chin. I have no neck, so the choker isn't gonna fit. It'll probably strangle me. So anyway, okay, I will see you hopefully in about 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, depending on how well I recover. And knowing me, I can't sit still for too long, so I might get bored and just come on and say hello. Okay, so all right, so I will see you guys in 3 to 4 weeks. Love you all. Pray for me. Please pray for me. That I come out of this fine, that I don't go into a coma, or I don't, die or anything, and that I recover quickly. I wake up quickly and recover quickly. Not too quickly. I don't want to wake up in the middle of the surgery. All right. Just pray for me. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.